How to post a status. Did you know that on WhatsApp you can post a status like on Instagram? In this video, I show you how to share quotes, photos, and videos with your contacts using the WhatsApp status feature. Skip to the updates below. To add a new text status, click the pencil below. On the next screen, type your message. You can change the font, background color, and add emojis using these two buttons. Tap the airplane icon to post. To upload a status with a photo or video, click the plus sign next to your profile picture. After posting a status, you'll be able to see who has viewed it. To do this, tap the status. Everyone will appear here. To delete the status, click the three dots next to it and select delete. Now you can share whatever you want with your contacts, in a simple and personalized way. Whether it's an inspirational quote, a photo, or a short video, WhatsApp status is perfect for this. Leave a like if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more videos on WhatsApp, and let me know in the comments what kind of status you post most often, text, photo, or video.